Hello everyone and welcome to MarkLogic Information Dashboard demo. Today we will see a enterprise search application running on MarkLogic. You can add all your content to this application, whether it's publicly available or internal content, and you can use a Google-like free text search functionality of MarkLogic to find any kind of content regardless of the structure or the schema. You can use facets to quickly filter out the documents you're interested in. And finally, we will show how to use a third-party semantic tool to enrich the content, visualize this enriched content with a tag cloud, and improve the overall accuracy of the search. And finally, my name is Sasha Mitrovic. I'm a principal sales engineer at MarkLogic, Germany. As already mentioned in the previous slide, this is an enterprise search application that runs on MarkLogic as a database, and it can store any kind of content, your internal content such as PDF documents or external content such as news updates via RSS feeds, stock price information, Twitter updates. It also features a Google-like search functionality where you can find all documents containing certain text. In this case, we're searching for documents containing stem, but we also found documents containing stemming and stems, which is a search option that you can activate. Additionally, you can use facets to filter your search down to the content that you're interested in. In this case, I filtered for RSS content only, and I'm looking for documents published yesterday. In this demo, which has been built on AngularJS using Node.js as a middle tier, you can also configure your sources. So you can add arbitrary RSS feeds or some Twitter accounts that you want to get updates from. Once you do that, make sure you save the configuration, or alternatively, you can upload a previously saved configuration, and in this case, I'm uploading automotive news sources, both RSS and Twitter. And I'm going to go ahead and delete my previous content that we just saw and delete the RSS content and initiate an upload of the Twitter content. And while that is working in the background, I'm also going to activate an option to enrich my RSS news with OpenClay API, which is doing a semantical text mining. And when that is done, we will go back to the search, and we can see that now we have documents that also have tags. The tags have been added through text mining. Here I'm clicking on car safety and getting all documents that talk about car safety. I can also browse and choose some other tags. I'm going to choose electric vehicles and getting all documents that either have electric vehicles in the text or have the tag electric vehicle that was recognized during the text mining process. If we go back and activate this option, save the configuration, go back to search, we can see now that our tags are also displayed in the form of tag cloud. And for RSS, we are using those tags that we've gotten from text mining, and from the Twitter, we are using Twitter hashtags that the users add themselves manually. Here I have a Mustang hashtag, and I'm able to filter down on all documents containing Mustang. I can do more complex queries like excluding F1, Formula 1 mentioning from documents, including economy of Japan documents, and I'm going to also do a filter using the facet for the period of 30 days. So I want to get all documents published in the last 30 days that match this query. I can also save this query for later because this is a more complex query and I will want to use it later again. So I can give it a name, save it, and later on when I'm using the application again, I want to recall this query, I will simply load it from the list of saved queries. And finally, we also have the stock price information in the database and in this demo. And here we activated indicators of winner and loser of the day and the week. And I can do some search here. I'm searching for German car manufacturers for all documents containing BMW or Audi or VW. And I'm getting a bunch of documents. I also have a tag cloud of all tags that are relevant for the documents found by this query. I can sub-filter to stock price documents only. I'm going to add a couple more just get more stock price indicators. So I'm getting BMW, Volkswagen, and I'm also seeing Daimler. I'm going to filter down for PDF documents and show a PDF document. So I have a preview option in the demo. I can look at the content of my PDF. I also can look at the RSS document, how it looks like in a database. In the database, it's saved as a XML file, has the source, RSS feed item, and the envelope which contains tags that we added through text mining. Similarly, I can also look at the stock price document, how it is saved in the database. It is again an XML document that contains price positions for previous period and some other interesting data, and I can create nice diagrams from this data. And that was all for today. This was a 5-minute MarkLogic demo. Make sure you check out the other demos at YouTube channel of MarkLogic, youtube.com/user/MarkLogic. Stay tuned.